This project started by first measuring out a small amount of KHP and dissolving this into 50 milliliters of water. Since we were doing 3 trials of the titration, 3 sets of this were then made. Each Erlenmeyer flask held about 0.05 grams of KHP. The burette was then prepped by pouring a few milliliters of sodium hydroxide in the fume hood into the burette and covering the entire inside. For the titration, NaOH was poured into the burette with one of the flasks of water and KHP underneath. Indicator was added to the solution in the fume hood to act as a way to know the reaction was complete. The initial measurement in the burette was recorded. For the titration, NaOH was slowly dropped into the flask. When the reaction was complete, it turned to a very light pink color from the indicator. The final measurement in the burette was also recorded, and the difference between the two numbers was the volume of NaOH used. Next, the same general steps were followed for the soda. A set amount was measured out in a graduated cylinder and mixed with a set amount of water to be put into an Erlenmeyer flask. It was put under the burette that was filled with NaOH and was swirled as drops were added. In the first set of titrations, the KHP concentration was known, and now the NaOH concentration that was found in the first set is now the known concentration of the second set. This was again done 3 times the amount of NaOH that was used to find the concentration of citric acid in the soda.
A trioptic acid has 3 hydrogen ions, so in the balance equation, it takes 3 times as many hydroxide ions from the sodium hydroxide to neutralize the acid.